Step 1. Add your photo and cut it. Select your best photo from your gallery and cut it. Use outline then cut your image just like what I'm doing. Once you're done, save it for later. Step 2. Provide a canvas. Select Pick Canvas and choose White background. Then adjust saturation to 27 and brightness to 71. After that, click Edit Image. Step 3. Type the first letter of your name, or you can choose the letter you want to write. Select your desired font style. Turn stroke to black and click Blend and Multiply, then save it. Step 4. Add your cutted photo. Adjust your photo and place it over the letter, then adjust the capacity to 31%. Click Erase, then Shape. Next, erase excess image just like what I'm doing. After that, adjust capacity to 100%. Then click Check. Step 5. Add your stickers. Select Stickers, then find Aesthetic Butterfly, Aesthetic Quotes, Aesthetic Flower, and Aesthetic Sparkles. Then place your stickers on your design. And here you go! You have your aesthetic and deluxe letter portrait using PicsArt. Enjoy!